Withdrawal of grace marks and re-exam for a few NEET UG candidates. Yes, you heard it right. In today's episode of Straight Up by edX Life with me, Siddhi Zozare, we shed some light on what went down at the Supreme Court in today's hearing regarding NEET UG exam irregularities. In the recent development coming from the Supreme Court hearing held this morning, June 13, the center informed the apex court that NTA would withdraw the grace marks awarded to 1,563 National Eligibility cum Entrance Test Undergraduate 2024 candidates. Also, an option for retest would be given to them. It may be noted that the apex court was dealing with 3 petitions challenging irregularities in NEET UG. One of the petitions was filed by Alak Pandey, founder of test prep startup PhysicsWallah, who claimed grace marks were arbitrary. The second petition was filed by Students Islamic Organization of India members Abdullah Mohammed Faiz and Dr. Sheikh Roshan Mohiuddin, seeking recall of the NEET UG 2024 results and conduction of a fresh exam. Third petition was filed by NEET candidate Jaripriti Karthik, challenging the award of grace marks. Now, let us hear it from experts.
We understand that there are 3 things which has to be seen properly, which has to be investigated properly. Of utmost important that an independent agency such as Central Bureau of Investigation properly investigate this matter, and so that we come to a proper conclusion about where the fault has been in the conduction of examination and whether this was a scam or this is not a scam. That has to be properly and thoroughly investigated, because right now the righteousness of the system, the piousness of the system, the transparency of the system is being questioned. Secondly, I think that it is the moral responsibility of the chairman of the National Testing Agency and the top brass of National Testing Agency to resign, because obviously there is a lot of questions being pointed out against them, and whatever answers they have given to us till now, I don't find any answer which is satisfactory, which is acceptable. It is important that the question of re-examination should be considered properly, and for some 1,500 students they are reconducting the examination. Then I think that option should be given to each and every aspirant to actually appear for re-examination, and the marks best of 2 amongst them should be added.
तो मुझे लग रहा है ये प्रॉपर एक एनटीए का गेम प्लान था पहले से. इट्स टोटली अ काइंड ऑफ व्यापम स्कैम पार्ट 2 जो कि उन्होंने नीट यूजी को बना दिया है. और इसमें इन्होंने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में भी एक हाई पावर कमेटी के लिए बोला था, तो उसमें खुद के ही एनटीए के जो चेयरपर्सन है वो ही इसको लीड आउट कर रहे हैं. तो मुझे लग रहा है कि ये तो बहुत ही बायस्ड डिसीजन है. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू अस, वी एज अ यूडीएफए वी डिमांड कि टू द गवर्नमेंट की मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एजुकेशन और मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ इसको इंडिपेंडेंटली अच्छे से कमीशन इसकी जांच करे. पूर्णतः इसका सीबीआई थोरो इन्वेस्टिगेशन होना चाहिए. अभी जो 8 जुलाई को एक नई डेट है सुप्रीम कोर्ट का पेपर लीक के मामले में, उससे पहले गवर्नमेंट इस पे एक्शन ले और जो भी कल्प्रिट्स पाए जा रहे हैं उन पे स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन ले, ताकि कैंडिडेट्स का भी वापस से जो भरोसा टूट रहा है वो वापस मेडिकल एजुकेशन सिस्टम पे आए.
Having said that, the students who wish to reappear for the exam can take the test on June 23rd. If the candidates out of 1,563 do not wish to take the retest, then their earlier marks eliminating the grace marks will be given for the results. The results of the retest will be declared on June 30 and the counselling for admission will start on July 6, the center said. The apex court has informed that all pleas, including those seeking cancellation of NEET UG 2024 on account of the allegation of malpractices, will be taken up on July 8. That's all we have for you today. For more such education-related news, stay tuned to edX Live. Stay hydrated and stay safe.